Hello and welcome to Easy Eats. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fried rice using leftovers. This recipe is super easy and it's really great tasting and it's great to make. I'm going to make it for serving 2 people, so if you want to serve more people, just double up the ingredients that I'm using in each step. You are going to need to use knives and a frying pan for this one on the stove. So make sure that that's something that you're capable of doing. So for ingredients for this episode, you're going to need some soy sauce for flavor, some pepper, also for flavor, some oil, it can be olive oil, vegetable oil, any kind of cooking oil really. You're gonna need some leftover rice, about 1 cup, and some leftover meat of any kind. It can be chicken or pork or any kind of meat. I'm using hot dog meat. And you're gonna need 1/2 cup of that. You're also gonna need about 2 teaspoons of water. It doesn't have to be exact, it's just a little bit of water. You're gonna need 1 egg and 1/2 an onion. The first thing you're going to do is chop your onion. So make sure you get a cutting board so you don't ruin any surfaces, and a knife and 1/2 an onion. You're just gonna start chopping it, and you want it to be in pretty small pieces, but they don't have to be tiny. You can also take off any bits of skin that you don't want to be in your meal because they taste kind of bad and they're just not good to eat. Okay, once you've got your onions all chopped, they really don't have to be even pieces whatsoever, just as long as they're small enough. Once you have them all chopped, you're going to take your oil and you're going to pour a bit of it on your pan. It does not have to be exact, just get enough. And then you're going to turn your pan on to medium heat. You're then going to put all your onions into the pan. Now stir these around a bit so they kind of get the oil on them. And you're just going to cook these until they turn clear. And while they're cooking, you can move on to the next step. So you're going to take your water and you're going to take your egg and crack the egg into the water. Make sure not to get any pieces of eggshell in it. Now, take a fork and just whisk that all around. Okay, once these onions have been sauteing for about 2 minutes, you're gonna start moving on to the next step. And they should look like they've gotten a bit more clear rather than white. You can kind of tell that they're done. All right, so for the next step, you're going to add your rice and your meat. You'll just kind of pour all of this in. You're also going to add in pepper and soy sauce just for flavor. How much pepper you use is completely up to you. It just depends on how much you like pepper. You don't even have to use it all if you don't like pepper. Soy sauce, you just kind of pour a bit in, does not have to be exact. Now you're just gonna stir that all together. All right, now you're gonna let that sit there for about 5 minutes before the next step. All right, now that that's cooked for a bit, we're gonna add in the egg. This is the last step. So you're gonna make a little hole in the center of all your rice, and that's what you're gonna put the egg into. So then you're just going to pour your egg that you've already beaten up into there. Now you're gonna stir the egg around and it will probably start cooking. All right, so I've been stirring this for about 2 to 3 minutes now. And once you can see that it's sort of coming together, like literally coming together and sticking to itself, you can also see small cooked bits of egg in there. You just want to make sure the egg is all cooked. But once it's all cooked, then you know that your dish is done. So you can turn off the heat on the stove. Okay. All right, last step, you can serve it. So I recommend eating it in bowls. It makes 2 servings, so yeah. All right, now you've got a healthy, filling, and most importantly, delicious meal for you and someone to share it with. You can also add any salt, pepper, or more soy sauce if you think that it's not seasoned enough and you want it to be more to your liking. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Easy Eats, and I hope to see you next time. That's good.